all these joy shops are wonderful and useless. They are wonderful and useless. So please tell me why it will be useless. And let us say, you say why, yeah, it can be absolutely useless and it can be wonderful. Both it can be. So why will it be useless? So if it is not applied, it is useless. If we don't take action, it is useless. It's beautiful to hear. There are thousands of people who go for satsangs, who go for these places of worship, and they hear the priest, they hear the temple person, they hear the satsangs. They feel wonderful, but no change happens in their life. They feel wonderful, but no change happens in their life. Why? Why? Because
they are not applying.
they are not applying or they are not taking action. So the purpose of these joy shop, okay, this purpose of this joy shop is to bring about. Why we are telling you to repeat? Weekly repeat, monthly repeat, daily repeat, no problem. Why to come again? Because I also don't expect you to implement the day I tell you you will implement today. I don't expect, If you do, I'm very happy. If you can do, it's fantastic. But I don't see it happening for most people. Some people who are very sincere, they apply immediately. But some people are a little lazy, some people are laid back, some people super lazy. So it takes time. So 10 months, every day, every month, every year, you go on hearing, and then you'll apply little, then you'll get results, then you'll apply more, then you'll get results, then you'll apply more. Then why we go to breakout rooms? So that you inspire each other. The purpose of breakout room is that you go and inspire. I got this result, I got it. So other people will tell, and that's why you get inspired. So I'm just reviewing. Leah SMS, 22% said no, start today. Segment intending, 30% said no, they are not doing it. Put the alarms from today. Reading money, you want more money, then read the affirmation. 60% said they are not reading. You want more money, then they say no money is coming. Why? You read the affirmations, it will come. Catharsis, 76% says if you fall low in emotion, you got to do the catharsis, make it a habit. Before Lotus Gratitude, do 1 minute of catharsis, 2 minutes of catharsis on paper. Just take any sheet. I don't do it every night. For 6 months I did, but if I'm going to throw this paper, I don't throw it. I made it a habit. I'll write catharsis and then I will throw it. So catharsis, what it is, don't worry, you will learn in these joy shops. But those who know, Lotus Gratitude, money, you want money, then hear the meditation money. 78% said no. Pivoting, 76%. RYMF, 40%. And 3 habits if you want to break. So all these questions, every time we will ask you, and every time you will basically, to remind you to basically go and do it again and again and again.